You probably wasting your time for learning English. Now you might say that how can I waste my time just for learning English? Yes, you heard it right, because you are making the mistakes. That's why you might be wasting your time. So hello guys, this is Raj, and in this video I will tell you the mistakes that you might be doing. It is the indicator that you are wasting your time. Now if you commit that kind of mistakes, then you can definitely understand by watching this video. So I will have a simple request to you, that is you can actually watch the video till the end so that you can understand that these mistakes you might be making or you might not be making. But the fact is, if you are making, then also I have a solution for you, so that you can also use this solution and you can come out from your problem. That is what the motive of this video. The first mistake that you might be making, that is that you are trying to mug up everything that you do from this childhood, because our education system is made up in such a way that you have to mug up and then you have to vomit at the time of examination hall, because that's it. Because whatever you are learning, there is no use, because you are forgetting after your examination. Do you really think whatever you have learned in class 9, are you really actually recalling all these things in class 10? No, right? There are different subjects. Obviously subjects are same, chapters are different. So what is the use of that whatever we have learned in class 9? So that's why the main fact is that you are applying this method in terms of English speaking. How? Now the fact is that you are reading any particular book and you are trying to mug up the sentences and you are trying to say that sentences. No, it's not the right way. It's not the right way. It's not the natural way, I can say. You have to understand the situation, then you have to speak. This is the right way. Another fact is that you might be doing some rules and technical jargons that is English is having, that you are going for the subjective English approach, and that's why you are trying to mug up and trying to apply this. You are not going to actually recall all these things that you are mugging up for the long term. And English is all about the natural thing. That natural, it should come as a flow. It should be natural English. The second mistake that probably you are making, that is you are trying to learn the advanced vocab. Many times I have heard few people are telling me that Raj, I want to learn advanced vocabs. I want to sound very attractive. How can I do this? No. Let me tell you, it is not at all the matter of saying the attractive words or difficult words or new words. It's a matter of conveying your message. It's a matter of attracting the people by the way of using the simple language so that they can understand. Because the game of English speaking is all about making everyone understand. So, and if you are telling that advanced vocabs and all, then see guys, advanced vocab learning is obviously good, but it's a time process. You have to put your time, only then you can learn that how advanced vocabs are learned. This is a process, slow process. Even after learning for it for 1 year also, you cannot learn everything about advanced vocab. So it is a slow process. It will be built over the period of time. No one can teach you the advanced vocab. It is a fact. Even you join as a high premium classes, still you cannot learn advanced vocab. It's a natural process. It will take time. The third mistake probably you are making, that you do not have the proper plan. It is most important in order to managing your time for English speaking, that you should have a proper plan. What you want to do, what you should not do, and what you have to do and what you will be doing. So you should have the proper plan that will help you to actually sustain in that process. So I'm telling you this fact, you should have proper plan. You might not have the proper plan. Now you might be telling that yes, you have talked about this mistakes and so many mistakes, but what about the solution? Yes, I have solution for you that you can apply and you can at least manage your time so that you do not have the worry that how can I manage my time as a beginner. Now see, the solution part is very simple, because the fact over here is that first solution is that allocate your time on the basis of availability. What does it mean? It means that you have to allocate the time that you have. You might be a student, you might be a corporate employee, or you might be a businessman. So allocate the 1 hour at least. If you can allocate 1 hour, that's it. Your reading, your listening, your actually speaking will be done in that 1 hour. If you are not finding so many too much time, then 1 hour is more than sufficient. But another thing is that you should not tell me lie. You might be telling me that Raj, I do not have 1 hour also. No. Come from your business, come from your work, complete your study. you will find that at least 1 hour you have. This 1 hour, if you do every day, it's better for you and you can find the right solution for yourself. Next step is that you can say that use your normal time. Now you might be a student, you might be a businessman, you might be a corporate employee, but you have the normal time. Normal time means you are, as a student you are traveling, as a corporate employee you are traveling, or you are somehow, you do not have any work at any particular specific time. That time you are thinking something. This time you can use for English learning, means you can self-talk, you can produce a lot of sentence in your hand, right? So this is the right way. I found this is the best effective method that you can do it. And third solution is that you should have the fixed time. Fixed time means I am talking about one thing that you should care about, that is, if you want to give 1 hour at least, I know one thing, I know if you are a corporate employee you have 9 to 5 job. If you are business, then you might not have the fixed time, but still you can find at least one fixed time, so that you can, what you can do within that fixed time, you can actually allocate your time for English learning for that 1 hour. You are not going to do anything, you are fully dedicating for English speaking, but it should be fixed time. It should not be like today I did it at 2 p.m. then I am going to do 3 p.m. For businessman, I agree this fact. Still you have to find out, because it's your success, it's all about to finding your destination for English learning. So you have to find out, and you know very well what you can do, right? The fourth tip is that you should make a detailed plan that what you want to do. In the previous mistake I have talked about that you do not have plan. That's why I'm telling that the biggest solution, the best solution you could have, that is you should have a detailed plan for your 2 months, 3 months or 5 months. At least go with 3-month plan, because 3-month plan means you can create your own plan and you can understand. I will not tell you how to make a plan, because I have already made a separate video, so you can check it out. I button, you will find that how to speak English from beginning level. So you can find out the detailed customized plan with PDF. I have made it, so you can check it out if you want. And the fact is that, as I am saying, that detailed plan will tell you that what roadmap you should follow. So I think in this way, if you follow these things, definitely you can manage your time. And if you can master on your time, definitely it's possible that you can learn anything with the very limited time. That's why I'm telling you, use these methods and get your result. And if you are finding this video wonderful, you can just click the like button and smash the subscribe button, so that I will get happy and you will feel that we are the part of same family.